Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear 9th class. How are you? Dear students, today we will start our new chapter of Punjab Textbook Board, Bahawalpur. The topic of today is matrices. Exercise 1.1 we will do in our classwork. My dear students, matrices actually is the branch of mathematics which actually deals us to find the values of unknown when we have lot of variables. But since you are discussing and this is the new chapter for you, that's why there are some questions which are in short form. First of all, the introduction of the matrices is that when we will write the numbers in this form, means we will take them separately, write these separately, and we will write these numbers into the square brackets and put the equal sign, and after that we will name this matrix in any capital letter. Then we can say that this is the matrix. Matrix is the singular form and matrices is the plural form. And the idea of the matrices was invented by the Arthur Cayley, mathematician. First of all, remember one thing, that in matrices these are known as the entries which are written in the brackets. They are known as entries or the member. If the entries are written in the form of the horizontal, then the horizontal entries are known as the rows, and the vertical entries like this are known as the columns. And we are going to find the order of the matrix, and order of matrix is written form by m by n, where m is the number of rows and n is the number of columns. So m, there are, you can see that is only one row, so we can say that number of rows m is equals to 1, number of columns is equals to 2. This is first column and this is second column. So the order of matrix is m by n equals to 1 by 2. Now part G, you can see that there are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 entries. This is first row, this is second row, and this is the third row. So number of rows m is equals to 3, as well as the number of columns 1, 2, and 3. So the number of columns also equals to 3. So this is known as the order of matrix m by n, which is 3 by 3. Now H is equals to there are number of rows 1 and 2. So the value of m is equals to 2. And number of columns, there are 3 columns, 1, column 2 and column 3. So we can say that there are number of 2 rows and there are 3 columns. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 3. Question number 3 is very interesting. In this question we have the values of A. We will go to find the value of A, B and C are given when two matrices are equal. Remember one rule, dear student, then whenever two matrices are equal, then their corresponding entries must equal. Corresponding entries means you can say that this is the first value of this first row and first column, and this is the first row and first column. So we can compare these values, corresponding entries. A plus C equals to 0, A plus 2B equals to -7, and C minus 1 equals to 3, and 4D minus 6 equals to 2D. And we will write these entries in these equations, and then we will write the name of this equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we can say we are going to find the values of which are missing A, B, C, D. Dear students, you can see that there are 3 values are given in each equation, and both values are unknown. Here also A and B are unknown, but in equation 3 there are 2 constant and one variable. So first we will consider equation number 3. C minus 1 equals to 3, and when we will add 1 in both sides, and we will get the value of C, which is equals to 4. Now we have first value. Now move to the fourth equation. There are also one variable involved, 4D and 2D. So we will write here 4D minus 6 is equals to 2D, equation 4, and then we will write we will subtract 2D from both sides of equation, and we get 4D minus 2D equals to plus 6. 4d minus 2d is equals to 2d equals to 6. So we will divide the equation by 2 on both sides, and we have the value of d, which is equals to 3. Now my dear students, we have the value of c and d. Now it is very easy for us that we will put the value of c in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is a plus c, and the value of c is 4. So if we will put this constant value in this equation, it will becomes a plus 4 equals to 0. From this equation we can easily find the value of a by subtracting 4 on both sides. So the value of a is equals to minus 4. Now we have three values a, c and d, and now move to the part equation number 2, a plus 2b, which is equals to 7. Dear students, first of all you will write the equation a plus 2b is equals to minus 7, and then here we will put the value of a, which is equals to minus 4. So put the value of a, minus 4 plus 2b equals to minus 7, add 4 on both sides, we will get 2b is equals to minus 7 plus 4. Now dear student, 2b is equals to minus 7 plus 4 equals to minus 3. So we can say that we will divide the equation on both sides by 2, and then we will get the value of b, which is equals to minus 3 by 2. So now we have the values of a, value of b, value of c and value of d. All these are the answers. And this is the end of our exercise 1.1. Take care yourself. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.